So one property I will say, and then about the properties of solid, liquid, and gas. Then I will discuss in this video. Number one, intermolecular space. So solid have intermolecular space negligible, and liquids have more from the solids, and the gases are more and most. But that intermolecular space and safe, they have a proper safe. They have no fixed. They take the safe where they kept at the container, and gases had no fixed and take the same. That means the shape of the container when they are sealed. Now, have fixed volume, but have no fixed volume. Fluidity do not flow from the higher to lower levels, and they flow everywhere. Now, density high, low, and very low. Now, the diffusion do not diffuse under normal condition. They diffuse, and they diffuse very fast. Transparency means solids, they generally do not have transparency. That most of the pure liquids have the transparency, but all the gases have the transparency. Okay, most of the pure liquids have the transparency, like the water, alcohol. Luster, among the solid, only the metals have the luster, and among the liquids, only mercury have the lusters. Gases are not lusters. And solubility in water, that the solid have the sand, they are not soluble, insoluble in water, but soluble as a sugar. And liquids immiscible in miscible means that water and sugar, but immiscible, we can say that the well and water. Now some gases are insoluble in water, nitrogen, hydrogen, they can be insoluble, but soluble oxygen, carbon dioxide, because H2O form with the H2O. This in this O is present, so like some gases are insoluble in water. Example, oxygen and carbon dioxide.